Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Dropified resource showcase. In a previous video, I showed you how amazing of a tool the Dropified Academy is, taking you from no dropshipping store to running your very own dropshipping store within 14 days or 60 days, depending on which of our programs you use. In another video, I showed you how you can get help using our help blog. In this video, I'm going to show you the Dropified blog, which is basically a collection of blog posts and research about e-commerce and dropshipping that you can take advantage of to deepen your knowledge about the industry. So let's get started. To access the blog, you can first go to dropified.com and then access it through the blog tab at the top of the screen. Or you can just go directly to dropified.com/blog. Now, once you open up the blog, you'll see a bunch of different blog posts attached at the beginning. These are going to be the most recent ones we have, but they're all broken up into categories. So if you want to learn more about dropshipping, you just press the dropshipping tab. And this is going to basically give you everything that we've posted that pertains to dropshipping. So in this case, we've announced Dropified Black. We give you tips on how to find dropshipping suppliers in Canada. We run a few different experiments and research and show you what we find, like using a dropshipping store without ads from Facebook. We wonder if it's possible, and we supply the answers here. We also have training videos and tutorials, any news. This is going to be a lot about what kind of updates you can expect from Dropified, feature additions, things like that. And then these are going to be tips on how to improve your business through Dropified. So this is going to be improving your online customer service, importing reviews, basically everything like that, showing you how you can increase your success with your store. And then we have e-commerce marketing, which basically tells you the different tips and tricks as they evolve for marketing online. So there's a lot of stuff in here. There is a lot to look at. There's a ton of knowledge to discern from this. This is going to be different than the Dropified Academy because this is going to be after you have your store, after you've answered your questions, basically built it up. This is going to be what you can learn and how you want to approach marketing and how you want to approach running your store. This is going to be a wealth of knowledge and resources, essentially, because we're always posting to this. We're always trying new things, researching new things, passing on information. So this is a great place to bookmark, check in every now and then, see what's going on, see what we've found, what's working now that didn't work last year, and what we think is going to work next year. And so while the Dropified Academy is pretty set in stone, the programs are pretty set in stone. There are always going to be good things to do to start your online business. And our help resource is obviously going to be helpful if you have a question you need answered. This blog is ever updating with new information, new trends on the rise, new information that just is changing and evolving just like this industry is all the time. So once you finish up with the Academy and answer all your questions with the help, this is going to be a great place to keep returning to after you're done with those. So besides that, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.